Hi, I have a new video for you making some cards. I have this beautiful set of papers that I was asked to do a review on, and they are beautiful. There are 12 different designs and there are 2 sheets of each. They're acid-free, great for doing your scrapbooking or making cards. It's 160 grams of paper and they're 6 by 6. I'll give you a quick look at what these look like here. A beautiful paper with bees and lemons. That is a beautiful floral. There is a sweet little, I'm going to say these are probably daisies on a pale yellow. Pretty purple with daisies and maybe chrysanthemums or thistles with some butterflies, as you can see. Black and white. Now that is a stark, beautiful daisy pattern, and a lovely red, pink, green floral pattern with beautiful bees, realistic looking bees. This pattern I like this one. The dark color with the contrast of the white and blue is adorable, and it has the bees but has also added on little ladybugs. So cute. A tone on tone yellow type pattern. The bees in relief. Honeycomb pattern that makes a great addition. Some black with just a random pattern of bees. A black and white, and a light purple with white bees outline. So that's an amazing set, and you can make anything, mix and match here. So they all look good together. You can make anything that you pretty much want. So what I'm going to do is take this up, and I'm going to show you the ideas that I came up with. You don't have to worry, the back is white, so you can use both sides of this paper for whatever it is that you'd like to do with. You don't have to worry about messing up the other side like you do sometimes, and you get questionable about what side you want to use. Now, this is a larger card. It's not the traditional A2 size. It is going to be 4.5 by 6. So I'm not quite sure what that is. So I'm just gonna let my ignorance go on. Maybe one of you guys can leave it in the comments and tell me what the actual size of this should be. Now I popped out a few little things from a long time punch that I have. It is an EK punch. Not sure where I got it, but you can find something like this, or if you have something like this, just pop out a little flower and a little tag as well, same brand, or cut one. You can cut one, and I did a little work with paper tearing with the edge here. Now to make this, you want to make sure that you tear the paper to you so that you leave the white edge. If there's too much, you can just take a little off. You see, like I did here, where there's a lot less showing. So this is some washi tape that I used to cover a minimal area here that I want to put behind here to peek out. So let's start putting this together so you can see what I'm up to.